Question number 1. Growth refers to. The right option is option C, increase in size and weight. Question number 2. Development refers to. The right option is option C, acquisition of skills and functions. Question number 3. Most rapid period of growth occurs during. The right option is option B, infancy. Question number 4. Birth weight doubles at. The right option is option D, 5 to 6 months. Question number 5. Birth weight triples at. The right option is option C, 1 year. Question number 6. Head circumference equals chest circumference at. The right option is option C, 1 year. Question number 7. Best indicator of child growth is. The right option is option D, weight. Question number 8. Neonate age is. The right option is option C, 28 days. Question number 9. Social smile appears at. The right option is option A, 2 months. Question number 10. Most sensitive indicator of malnutrition is. The right option is option B, weight for age. Question number 11. Anterior fontanelle closes at. The right option is option C, 12 to 18 months. Question number 12. Posterior fontanelle closes at. Right option is option D, 2 months. Question number 13. First milestone achieved by infant. The right option is option C, holding head steady. Question number 14. Child sits without support at. The right option is option C, 8 months. Question number 15. Watching alone occurs at. The right option is option C, 12 to 15 months. Question number 16. First tooth eruption occurs at. The right option is option B, 6 months. Question number 17. First permanent teeth are. The right option is option D, first molars. Question number 18. Reflex that disappears last. The right option is option D, parachute reflex. Question number 19. Growth follows which pattern? The right option is option B, cephalocaudal and proximodistal. Question number 20. Moro reflex disappears at. The right option is option A, 6 months. Question number 21. Rooting reflex disappears at. The right option is option A, 3 to 4 months. Question number 22. Exclusive breastfeeding is recommended up to. The right option is option C, 6 months. Question number 23. complementary feeding starts at? The right option is option D, 6 months. Question number 24. Failure to gain weight is called? The right option is option C, failure to thrive. Question number 25. Trust vs mistrust stage age. The right option is option A, 0 to 1 year. Question number 26. Autonomy vs shame stage age. The right option is option D, toddler. Question number 27. Best age to introduce cow's milk is? The right option is option C, 1 year. Question number 28. 9 months old child cannot walk but can sit. What is action? The right option is option C, reassure mother. Question number 29. Head control is achieved at? The right option is option B, 3 months. Question number 30. Average birth weight of term baby. The right option is option D, 2 to 4 kg. Question number 31. Growth from head to toe is called? The right option is option B, cephalocaudal. Question number 32. Growth from center to periphery is? The right option is option D, proximodistal. Question number 33. Growth spurts occurs during? The right option is option A, infancy and adolescence. Question number 34. Average weight gain per month is? The right option is option B, 600 g. Question number 35. Average weight gain per month, 6 to 12 months. The right option is option A, 200 to 300 g. Question number 36. Infant rolls over at? The right option is option D, 4 to 5 months. Question number 37. Infants crawls at? The right option is option C, 8 to 9 months. Question number 38. Pincer grasp develops at? The right option is option C, 9 to 10 months. Question number 39. Stranger anxiety appears at? The right option is option C, 6 to 8 months. Question number 40. Separation anxiety peaks at? The right option is option A, 12 to 18 months. Question number 41. First meaningful word appears at? The right option is option C, 12 months. Question number 42. Two-word sentence appears at? The right option is option C, 2 years. Number 43. Vocabulary of 3 years old. Right option is option C, 900 words. Question number 44. Total primary teeth are. The right option is option B, 20. Question number 45. Complete primary dentation by. The right option is option D, 2 to 2.5 years. Question number 46. Tonic neck reflex disappears at. The right option is option B, 6 months. Question number 47. Babansky reflex disappears at. The right option is option C, 1 to 2 years. Question number 48. Presence of primitive reflex after 1 year indicates. The right option is option D, neurological problem. Question number 49. Initiative with GALT stage age. The right option is option B, 3 to 6 years. Question number 50. Industry vs inferiority stage age. The right option is option C, school age.